Hi, I'm Ajay Balai, founder and CEO of UCC, Universal Cancer Conquest India Private Limited. We are a comprehensive cancer care and treatment company. As we all aware, in last few decades, non-communicable disease such as cancer is on rise in India. As per the government statistics, in 2018, around 2.2 million cancer patients were there, and during the same period, almost 7 to 8 lakhs cancer patients died because of this disease. These are the reported numbers, but I'm afraid the real number is more than a double than this. The recent study also indicates that the prevalence of cancer in India is going to rise to 7 million in coming years. Cancer treatment is complex and dynamic as it requires a multidisciplinary approach in the treatment involving different types of oncologists, hospitals, diagnostic companies, pharmaceutical companies, nursing homes, financial institutions, NGOs to get the better results. But currently, all these different elements in this ecosystem are working individually, which makes the whole system very complex. In addition to this, India has less than 5,000 oncologists, and most of the cancer care facilities are available into metros and sub-metros. The common man who stays into the small villages and towns, which is large in number, makes it very difficult to afford and access these facilities in the metros. In my opinion, right now, the current ecosystem is and the infrastructure is inadequate to serve the existing patients, where these numbers are increasing day by day. To fight this deadly disease and to take the cancer treatment into the smaller towns, there need a public and private partnership and a tech-enabled ecosystem which will bring all the elements in the cancer treatment, right from the oncologist till NGOs and care workers, into one platform and a collaborative approach to help and treat cancer patients together. This tech-enabled ecosystem will help us to deploy hub and spoke model in the cancer treatment. We can set up the hubs into the metros where we have adequate infrastructure and the oncologists present, and the spokes or the satellite centers into the hospitals in the smaller towns. We can perform complex surgeries and complex treatments at the hub in the presence of oncologists, whereas early diagnosis, supportive care, and the chemotherapies can be done into the satellite centers with the help of oncologists, which will be connected remotely to these satellite centers. All the hubs will ensure the availability of oncologists through their online consultation and monitoring to the patients being treated at the satellite centers. The hubs will also ensure a continual training of the medical staff of the satellite centers and availability of the medicines and the diagnostic services to the satellite centers. I am very sure that this model will not only make these cancer facilities available into the smaller towns, but also help to reduce the lot of physical and the financial strain on the patients and their families staying in that area. Relevant government agencies have advised Indian government to develop a cancer care infrastructure into the similar lines, but we need to push this immediately and urgently.